you know that control it like me? Who hits the road and flips Yola like me? I'm a bait face, I don't need no ID. Bro, drop the roof, now we're looking page 3. Whole brick of raw, I'ma smash that into bits. This flakes 99, it never came with a mix. 2 sticks in this whip, you can call that the Twix. I don't work in a bar, but I'm still making drinks.
Address we, and he's speaking to God. MCs that'll flop, a peas in a pod, they'll get beaten and robbed. We're better true, whether you believe it or not. So stay at that fucking speed or your feet will get lost.
Cannot believe it. Cannot believe it. Absolutely fuming. Welcome back to another video, guys. Here we are. I've literally just been fired from my job just because I was replying to comments on my YouTube channel, because I'm active on this YouTube business. Now, we're going to turn this loss into a win by starting my new career today. It's my first day on job as the new Caddy taxi driver. Now, I'm now working for the Caddy taxi company, and come with me. So basically, first day on shift, I start in 5 minutes, and hopefully we're going to go and pick up some people and give them a premium taxi ride Uber cannot compete with. So that being said, I don't want to be late for my new job, so let's go. Ah, listen to that beauty! First day on job, let's go! Yes guys, so we are 5 minutes into my first shift as a taxi driver, and yeah, I'm feeling good, feeling positive. The sun's shining, it's a glorious day. Traffic's not too bad on the roads. It's definitely one of those days where you kind of just full send it. So anybody that's running late, don't you worry, I've got your back. You just hop in the taxi and I will get you where you need to be with time to spare, so you can grab yourself a coffee. We do not, I repeat, we do not mess about in the Caddy taxi. Anybody looking for a lift? My rates are very competitive. It's like being like first class on a train, only better, because you've got your own space and you can actually lay down in the back there. Right, that's it. It's a full send. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Caddy taxi. Yes, right. You ain't seen one before, but now you have. Oh yeah, right, come on, let's go, let's go. Who needs a ride? Who needs a ride? What are you saying, bro? Come on. Apparently when you buy Mercs, they don't come with indicators.
Yeah, they're hating that we ain't got the same hours. Game in a bag and it's all hours. Food came in a pack and it's all powers. Coming for heads, coming for necks. Not so red, I got holes in my checks. Litty again, go tell a friend, go tell a friend.
I'm in the back of a Benz, selling pin, bring your friends. She fucking with a boss and she on me. 4 AM calling, she lonely. Filling up glasses with codeine.
Not a single person has needed a ride. This is quite disheartening for a first day on job. So I've literally just come out to the countryside, try and find somewhere peaceful and quiet, just to have 10 minutes and rethink my life decisions, basically. Check my YouTube views and comments. Have you hit that subscribe button yet or nah? If you haven't, now's the time to do so.
Tired, been walking miles, could do with a cuppa, could do with a brew, just want to get home. I've got to catch a train in 20 minutes and there's no way I'm going to make it. What I could do with right now is a taxi!
I'm just literally, hey up, can I help you, sir?
Can you help a guy out?
You look stressed, mate, are you okay?
No, I need to get to the train station.
How long have we got?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
You have come to the right place. Welcome to the Caddy taxi service. Jump in, it's first class, premium ride. Get in, let's go, full send, let's not waste time.
Let's go, quick. Right, bro. Ash.
Mind your head.
I'm here.
Mind your head.
That's lost points already, mate.
Come on, I'm out here trying to get 5-star reviews. It's my first day on shift, sir. Yeah, just sit back and relax, and if you feel like you want to lay down, by all means, get your head down. I suppose we've got just under 20 minutes to get you to the train station then, sir.
Less talking, more driving. Cheers, mate.
just want to go through a few things. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh my god! This is so unsafe. Oh my god!
We've got to get you to the train station, sir.
Holy shit!
Hey, honestly, the amount of squirrels that are running out and about today.
I know I said quick, but please slow down.
I've just washed the van. I do not want squirrel blood all over my bumper. Sir, can you please lay down?
I'm laid down.
Stop stressing. We are going to get you to the train station in one piece. Leave them when it's a full send.
What full send?
Oh, we've got another squirrel. Oh my god, dear! Oh my god. Sir, are you okay?
I am fine. So far. Oh my god. Oh shit, then.
What are you doing out in the woods anyway?
What? I just went for a walk.
Well, the roads around here aren't exactly the smoothest.
Well, I didn't think I'd need a taxi, and if I did, I thought it would at least be a bit.
Well, this is the price you pay for being a lazy person.
Whoa! I don't even know how much this taxi's going to cost me.
Mate, the starting fare is £100.
Hang about. Can't be like that.
The only way out is if I press this eject button and the side door opens, sir. Whoa, dear!
Oh my shit, man.
Whoa!
Oh my life.
The animals are active today, sir.
Oh, I'm holding on for dear life.
Hey, the weather's beautiful today.
Yes, it is.
You ain't-
To be honest,
Just to
I'd have to say,
reassure you.
the bed is quite comfy.
Yeah.
I will give you that.
Right, please lay down. I have a challenge for you. Obviously, the starting fare started at £100. Now, if you want to knock that down to £80, my challenge to you is to lay down on the bed for 5 minutes without falling off.
Oh, that was a bump and all that. Do you mind?
Do you accept the challenge?
I accept the challenge. Driver, please, I'll take you back. Help me.
Hold on, we got a duck in the road now.
Oh my god. Mate. Absolutely not. Oh my. Stay in the middle of the road.
I'm in the middle, sir.
Oh my god.
We've got a cyclist on the road now, sir. We need to move out of the way. Good day, sir.
Oh my god. Wrong turning.
Wrong turn.
Right,
This is how we do it, man.
do you mind? Please stop. Oh! Jesus Christ.
Let's go! Ah.
We're going back the same way.
What do you mean? Yeah, because I missed the turn, sir.
Oh! Lying about, that's my drone. Shit.
My reaction time is second to none.
I'm glad.
I can assure you, you're in the safest taxi there is on road right now. And the most stylish I have, you know. And spacious. Have you got enough leg room?
I will give you, so far, give it 3 stars.
3 stars?
Out of your 5.
Okay. We still have 15 minutes of your journey.
You lost.
Right.
Lost on the star with the driving, dramatically. And also banging my head on the door.
Well, that's your own fault, sir.
Mate, that's 2 stars now for the bad attitude.
I can't. Okay. Must admit, we've passed the first challenge.
Yep.
Stayed on the bed. The fare is now £80. However,
After all that.
should you wish to take it down to £60, I have a second challenge. Should you accept? Now, you have to accept it before I tell you what it is.
So down from 80 to 60.
Yeah,
Because I don't know what the challenge is, can it go down to 50?
absolutely, sir.
Yes, I'll take the challenge.
Well, as you said earlier when you first got into the taxi, that you was quite thirsty. You could do with a cuppa.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have you know, in this Caddy taxi service, we have our on-board cup of tea service. Now, I can make you a cup of tea, Now, if you don't spill any of it, I will knock it down to £50. Should you spill it, the fare stays the same. Deal. Right, the next stop, it's brew time. Wakey, sir. Just a quick tea stop. You said you was after a cuppa. And that is Caddy Taxi Services. We like to accommodate all first class requests from our customers. Therefore, on board we have our very own coffee making facilities. I know you're in a rush there, but this will only take 30 seconds.
In YouTube time or in real time?
In YouTube time.
Proper service this is. There's never been a taxi in my life that I know that has made me a cup of tea.
That's what I'm saying. We strictly only do first class services. Strictly. Second to none. No Uber, no Addison Lee, no whatever you want to call it. I tell you what, I might even branch out. Once the business gets booming, you see, once business booms, I'm thinking about branching out to takeaway, delivering food and stuff. So yeah, hopefully business goes well. I mean, hopefully you're going to fail this challenge and I'll make a bit more money. So
I'm going to do my very best to pass it.
So yeah, that being said, we'll just wait for this to boil and we'll hit the road again. Ooh. How are we doing back there?
Not too bad. Got me brew.
Yeah.
Got the light on.
How is it? Is the coffee to your liking?
Yeah, it's pretty good, mate. It's pretty creamy. Pretty good. Oh, I've got a little table here as well. Lay me an egg.
Absolutely.
Just pop that there.
So yeah, if you don't spill that in 5 minutes, your tariff goes down to £50. However, if you do spill that, it remains at 80.
Right, okay.
And we are very close to the train station, so we're getting there. Oh, yeah.
It's so hot.
Where are you getting the train to, sir?
Nottingham, mate.
Yeah?
Big nuts.
Big up knots.
Oh, a little bit seeped off the top. It hasn't fallen though. I've caught it.
How are we holding it back there?
Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, I'll try and get as much down me as quickly as possible so it doesn't get off the top.
Just avoid the potholes.
Alright, okay, that's fine. It's burning the top now.
That's what we want. Have you got a date in Nottingham or something?
No, mate.
Okay, we don't want to ruin your clothes before you go on a date, do we?
Yeah, I'd say so. Fingers crossed.
You got a bike, you got a man on a bike pushing a bike.
What?
Absolutely. You see weird and wonderful things on the roads.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Still have not spilled anything.
How are we doing?
Go on. Bit damp. Leakage.
We've had a leakage. Right, you might have to, I think we're in good time, so if you get to the train station, just nip to the toilets and just freshen yourself up.
Yep, I'll give it a go. Oh my god. Not impressed.
What do you mean you're not impressed?
I'm done. Oh, I've spilled a bit more. Looks like I ain't getting my discount. Get there in one piece, that is.
Absolutely lovely.
But you're not doing too bad at the minute. It's quite a nice comfortable drive.
Yeah, we're civilised.
I'm on the bed.
Right, we're doing some urban driving now. We've got to go through town.
Okay, that is no problem. I've got all my faith in you now. All my faith.
I hope you've got that 5-star ready.
What 5-star, sorry?
Oh. He was in the wrong lane. Oh, I've missed my turning now.
What?
I've missed my turning, so we're going round the roundabout again.
Oh my god!
And there we go.
Oh my god.
What was that bang?
What?
What was that bang?
And the gate's just it fell off. You've been busy?
Have I? Oh, flat out, mate. Flat out. Yeah, honestly. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing, you know, I've been in the taxi business all of 30 minutes. Yeah, just my phone won't stop ringing. Absolutely, people trying to flag me down. You know, while
Your phone won't stop ringing. I haven't heard it ring once on this journey.
Yeah, I've had to put it on silent while you're here. Yeah, I just find it a little bit rude while I've got company if I was on the phone all the time, you know. Yeah, I like to have a conversation with my customers.
Yeah.
You know. What about yourself? You been busy?
No, mate.
No?
No. Oh my Jesus! Oh. What's the matter? A bit harsh on the braking, mate. Oh, what's your name, sorry?
James.
James.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that on your badge. It says Jack on your badge. Got that kind of game away, didn't it?
Very observant you are, Dave, aren't you?
I am.
Yeah, you're trying to be a funny one, aren't you?
No.
Yeah.
Hang about, talk about police station. They're behind you, mate. You need to take your foot down, get me to that train station quick.
Oh shit! Green! Go green! Go green!
Go!
Right, how long have we got left till your train due?
About 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
So it gives me enough time. So go, go, go.
Don't you worry about that. We are going. And we are gone. Are they still there?
Yes, they're still there. They're catching up, mate. You've got a minute.
A minute. Don't you worry. Go.
You've got a minute. Go, 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 go.
Call yourself a taxi, do you? You ain't no taxi. This is a taxi.
You've got the blues and twos behind you, mate.
Yeah,
this
don't
is
you
a
worry.
taxi.
You have a place on address.
Oh, we're here, we're here.
Hey, don't you mind this? Yeah, speak up.
Oh, Jesus.
Right. We'll just leave it there, will we?
Are you
We'll
pulling
just,
up?
yeah, that's it.
Right, right, I'll see you later. Right.
50 quid, mate. 50 quid, mate. You left the door open. He's left the door open. He's left the door open. He's left the door open.
Gucci, well out here I'm guilty. The girl in my passenger looking all pretty. The shit that we do, she calling me filthy. I can't let him know I gotta move shifty. New chick.